Hello friends, good morning. So in today's video we'll discuss about impact of Sun Ingress on different world markets. So today we have some crucial dates which are coming for. So first is Sun is going in ingress, and second thing which is happening is Mercury is at its extreme declination, and tomorrow we have solar eclipse and new moon also which are coming. So basically, when we have these multiple, and on 21st we have Mercury going in ingress and Mercury retrograde also happening. So these 3 days will be very very crucial. The markets throughout the world are very silent. They have been rising. SPX is almost up for I think 5 to 6 weeks in a row. So the things are looking very silent, but with these multiple astro events coming, things can change overnight and we can see some extreme uh, movements in the market based on the past historical data. Now it doesn't mean that it will happen every time, but there is a high probability of it's happening. So be very cautious on your trade. Don't have a lethargic approach towards trading because Nifty, Bank Nifty is obviously going up, so every dip is getting bought into. But things can change overnight. So levels are supreme, but yes, as I told you, these 3 dates. Today Sun is going in Taurus zodiac. Tomorrow we have solar eclipse, and after that we Mercury retrograde also. So so let's deep dive into it. So here I've applied S&P 500 chart, and here we have applied Sun moving into different zodiacs, and you can see here it has a very good impact here. Whenever this event happens, generally you tend to see kind of small top or small bottom formation, and you get a good trading range. So if I specifically go and select only Sun in Taurus, now as per my analysis of the past historical data, I have seen like whenever Sun moves in Taurus, you tend to see some really nice moves in the market, which generally leads to a small or a deep correction. So, like here, it happened here, we had a good correction. uh, then it's happened here, it obviously went into a sideways zone, so it didn't work so nicely here. And after this, again 2 days of good fall. It was a very nice fall. So whenever Sun moves in zodiac, sorry, Taurus, after that again we have seen a trending move. So you tend to see some really nice moves in the market. This happens once again, a good correction. So this works, I think, 60 to 70% of the time, and markets have been rallying considerably. So watch out for the last day's low. If market sustains below, whichever market you are trading, if it sustains below the last the previous day's low, then we can see a potential good fall coming through. Now this is SPX. Now the next important thing which is happening is Mercury at its extreme declination. Now this is also a very very important event because Mercury is closest to the Sun, closest planet, so it generally tend to have a good impact on financial markets. So let's see what it shows here. So this is Mercury at its C here. It was a perfect top in S&P 500, a perfect bottom, almost a bottom from there, a very nice rally. It retouched this low here. For me, this high and low of this day is important. Whichever side is breached, you can take the trade. So yeah, this is about S&P 500. Now let's move to our local markets, which is Nifty and Bank Nifty. So here I have already applied Mercury declination for Bank Nifty, and you can see here it has a very good impact. Now let me quickly show you about Sun Sun zodiac also. So Sun Ingress also. Now Sun in Taurus, which is happening today. Before that, it happened here, and we also had a good correction from here. And let's take one more instance. It was a perfect bottom and a good rally. So it generally leads to our turning points into the market. So very crucial day. Now, like I discussed in my weekly analysis also and daily analysis also, this week has started with a open and high. So whenever open and high are same, like this was open high almost same. Whenever open and high are same, you tend to see some really good fall in the market. So this was the monthly candle where open and high were same. So this is something which cannot be ignored. So it has a very good, and last 2 days we have formed open high. Now if this, and yesterday we have formed an inside bar pattern also. So basically if this 17777 is broken, you can go for 844, 923, 18001 and 1807 on upside. And if suppose the low, which is 7610, is broken, and if it reaches 7576 also, then we can see a fall till 532, 453, 375. So this is about Nifty. Now Nifty is trading, see here, it has again corrected from its 50% point. 62.5 is around 17550. And if we close below 550 also, then we are heading towards 282. And on upside, good to make positions only about 17850 only. Why 850? Because 850 is also 858 is also 50% point, right? So yeah. So, and from moving average perspective, yes, everything looks good, but price has reacted from its 100-day moving average. So again, so basically I would say 17550 to 508 is a crucial zone, because we have your 200-day moving average also around, uh, yeah, 200-day moving average also coming around, 250-day moving average also coming around this range. Price has sandwiched between these two moving average. Whichever side is broken, the move will be at least 150 to 200 points. Now if I see show you the musical octave also, the price is reacted from 17828, and the next major support is around 17326 only. So that's about it for Nifty. Let's move to Bank Nifty again. What Bank Nifty is showing, let's see. Uh, so if you see here, 41672 is the level from musical octave. Moving average side, I think it's above all its moving averages. So 41700, 672 to 700, if any correction will come, will should act as a support for Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty has also formed an inside bar pattern, and the targets are here, which you can see here. If the high of 40 to 500 is broken, then 693 887, and the low of 40 40114 is broken, then 41 921, 41 728, 41 534 and 41 341. Now quickly let's look at the neural forecast also. So this is the neural of Bank Nifty. It says that around 18th or 19th we have made a top, and we can see a correction till 21st. And for Nifty, it is showing we formed a top around 18, and then from 19 we can see some correction in the market. Let's see, it doesn't work, like I have told many times, it doesn't work all the times. It works 60 to 70% of the time. So if the 17600 and 42114 is broken in Nifty and Bank Nifty, then only it's prudent to make a short trade. Now because Sun and Mercury are there, so the stocks which you need to focus on are, so Sun is mostly for PSUs. So these are the stocks which you can focus on. Bharat Petroleum, Coal India, Indian Oil Corporation, in FNO stock, then HAL is also there, where we can see some decent move because of the Sun proximity to them. And if I look for Mercury, because Mercury is also going in extreme declination, then Bharti Airtel, Grasim, HCL Tech, Infosys, Reliance, and all that. These are the stocks which where you can have a focus on, where if you trade in only Nifty based stocks, then these stocks can add good value, or good, provide you a good trading range, right? And this is for Sun. So we have our own list of stocks which gets impacted by a planet. So yeah, that's about it. We have discussed about Nifty, Bank Nifty trading plan, and exciting 3 days coming ahead. So stay disciplined, trade cautiously, and I wish you guys all the best. Thank you.